I have chose the states specifically from India, and the
Come on,
quiz
Nitya,
is
that's not fair.
And yes, and the quiz is going to be purely from one state. Hey guys, welcome to LTC Unplugged by Solvit, and in today's episode we are going to have quiz with our fellow friends, and it is going to be particularly of GI, intellectual property. Hi guys.
But first, let us explain what is GI to the audience.
Okay. See, GI is a type of intellectual property that's specific to a product from a place.
And an origin.
Yeah, like Kanjipuram silks and all.
Like champagne of France.
Correct. But here is the catch. I have chose the states specifically from India, and the
Come on,
quiz
Nitya,
is
that's not fair.
And yes, and the quiz is going to be purely from one state, and you will be given options, and the wrong guy gets.
It's okay, I've been to Kerala a couple of times, I'll manage.
She can answer well.
Yeah. I know.
You're from Kerala already.
Yes, I am fully ready for that.
So the first question. Which traditional Kerala mirror, known for its unique metal alloy and reflective quality, holds a GI tag? Here are the options. Option A, Aranmula Kannadi. Option B, Kozhikode mirror. Option C, Thrissur glass. Option D, Palakkad reflector.
Aranmula Kannadi.
This is not fair, yeah. I didn't even get a chance.
Nobody cares, Joe. Nobody cares.
As a rule.
Yes.
There is one fact, like Aranmula Kannadi is a traditional handmade metal alloy mirror from Aranmula, and it's renowned for its unique reflective properties.
So people still use this.
Yeah, and they pass it via heritage and they give gift in weddings. So question 2. Which variety rice from Kerala, known for its medicinal properties and used in Ayurveda, has received a GI tag? Option A, Navara rice. Option B, Basmati rice. Option C, Jasmine rice. Option D, Sona Masuri
Option
rice.
A, Naveri rice.
Navara rice.
Navara rice.
But you still missed. Though your answer was right, you mispronounced it.
But I don't know, because those rice which are in red in color, is that is the
It's a
one?
traditional medicine
traditional-
rice, and it's a variety from Kerala which is used for Ayurvedic treatments. Question 3. Which Kerala handloom sari, characterized by its off-white color and golden border, is GI tagged? Option A, Kutampalli sari. Option B, Kasargod sari. Option C, Balarampuram sari. Option D, Chendamelam sari.
Option
Kuttamali
C,
sarees.
Palaram sari.
Kuttamali sarees.
How come Kuttamali
It's
sari?
Kuttamali only. Hey, I know. My mom had. We go there to get dresses sometimes.
But I've heard, what do you call again? What is the option A?
Kuttamali.
Kutampalli saris.
Okay, next time I should be aware.
So, Kutampalli sari is a off-white sari with a golden border, traditionally woven in
now it rings a bell.
Kutampalli
Exactly.
village in Kerala.
Now it makes sense.
And yet the God's own country traveler couldn't find out.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
I
Yeah.
got this. This is fine.
question 4. Which GI tagged fruit from Kerala is known as the king due to its sweetness and flavor?
What king?
That you have to answer me. So, I'll give you the options.
Wait.
Option A, Valakkulam pineapple. Option B, Nendram banana. Option C, Kuttitur mango. Option D, Chengolian banana.
Option A,
Are you sure?
Valakulam.
It's not Valakulam. It's Valakulam.
Since you missed, his answer was right.
But he said it wrong. He said
No, but the
Valakulam.
option I couldn't pronounce it.
It's not Valakulam. It's Valakulam. It's Vala.
So-
Ra. Say Ra.
Say it's option A, Valakkulam.
It's option A,
We are
Valakkulam.
sorry. We
Yeah,
have.
guys, I'm so sorry.
That's still
Not
not
fluent.
fair.
But a Valakkulam pineapple was renowned for its sweetness and flavor. Because of it, it had earned its title as king of pineapples. Question 5. Which GI tagged spice from Kerala is often referred to Queen of Spices? Option A, Alleppey green cardamom. Option B, black pepper. Option C, clove. Option D, nutmeg.
Alleppey green cardamom.
What? No, I options. No, I need one more option. I can't even understand what are the options.
Alleppey.
What? No, let's go again. What are the options? From A, B, C. No, I'll not. What are the options
It's
again?
option A, Alleppey green cardamom. Option B, black pepper. Option C, clove. Option D, nutmeg. And she was right. This is to waste my time for next 5 seconds. Would you like to say why is it called the queen of spices?
I'm not sure. I've heard, but it's because of its like aroma, flavor.
Rich, correct. Because of its due to its rich aroma
Yeah,
and
something
flavor.
regarding
So it's 3 and 2.
Okay, it's just 1 point. I just leave it. Next question, Nitya.
Question 6. Which beetle leaf variety is known for its high chlorophyll and protein content?
What? Beetle leaves?
Yes.
So, option A, Alleppey beetle leaf. Option B, Circe beetle leaf. Option C, Tirur vetila. Option D, Madurai beetle leaf.
Option C, Tirur vetila, and it's because it has high nutritional value. I
This
know.
is not
I know
fair,
it because
Nitya.
I'm from Tirur. I know it
That is
because
not
I'm
fair,
from
Nitya.
Tirur.
All the questions are been prepared.
Okay, so
Okay, I'll come back stronger.
it's 3,
Good. No, 4.
4.
Let me speak
It's
without.
4.
How much is she
4
winning?
2.
4-2. Question number 7. Which GI tagged handicraft from Kerala involves intricate design made from coconut shell? Option A, brass broidered coconut shell craft. Option B, screw pine craft. Option C, bamboo craft. Option D, coir products.
So I'm pretty sure it's option A. Brass broidered coconut shell.
Okay.
I was about to say that.
No, can I do that? Thank you.
Okay. So brass broidered coconut shell involves intricate design from coconut shells. Basically, it's a
Because
traditional craft.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I've seen those often when I go. I usually try to buy it, but unfortunately can't.
Please.
Okay. So it's 4-3.
Okay.
Okay.
Question 8. Which GI tag mango variety from Kerala is known for its unique flavor and is primarily grown in Kuttiyatur region? Option A,
Okay.
Kuttiyatur mango. Option B, Alfonso mango. Option C, Banganapalli mango. Option D, Neelam mango.
Kuttiyatur mango.
This is not fair.
What?
Can I have that one more time?
Get us. I'll do this. I'll do this then.
No. Oh, you want to
Yeah, I want to do this.
Okay. So Kuttiyatur mango is known for its flavor and it's
But what about
primarily-
Banganapalli? I'm usually
No. Didn't you hear the question? It's from
It's
Kuttiyatur.
from
The answer is
Kerala.
Kuttiyatur mango.
So basically, the answer is in the question.
Yeah. You should give more
Now I have a question. Did you prepare or did Nitya prepare?
I prefer.
I
Guys,
know this because
we are
I know
going-
this because I'm very intelligent. See, I've been a very studious girl from a young age.
No,
So
that's
I know
not
this
happening.
stuff.
We are going backstage and I'm going to find out who really made
He's
prepared
just-
these
he's
questions.
So
just
it's
grumpy.
question 9.
Okay.
It's 5,
5, 3.
3. Which GI tagged banana from Kerala is traditionally known and it's famous for its preparation of Kerala chips. Option A, Nendram banana. Option B, Robusta banana. Option C, Poovan banana. Option D, red banana.
Option A, Nendra Palam.
I give you this.
Is Nendra Palam.
I give you this.
No, you lost it.
No, I just got a little lost by the time I was answering. He did. So fine.
Okay.
Since
Then
then,
you can have it.
I won it.
Because Nendram banana is traditionally and very famous because the way it's made. So it's the last question.
All I have to do is eat.
5-4.
5-4. It takes one to make a tie. It takes one to
Okay, now what is the gift?
anything.
Who's winning?
You want any?
I need Nendra Palam chips. Get me Nendra Palam.
Are okay with that?
Yeah, fine. It's fine.
Okay, when I get an Nendram chips.
Okay.
Okay, the last question. Which GI tagged jaggery from Kerala is known for its high quality and is produced in Marayur region? Option A, Marayur Jaggery. Option B, Central Travancore Jaggery. Option C, Palakkad Jaggery. Option D, Thrissur Jaggery.
Marayur Jaggery.
Or Thrissur Jaggery?
No, it's Marayur.
Which one?
Answer lies in the question.
You should listen to the
No,
question.
you can twist it. No, you guys will twist it often. I know.
What do you mean?
So
So
it's,
what is it? What
it's
is it?
Marayur.
Marayur Jaggery.
It is known for its high quality production, and the region of Marayur, it's famous. So, Marayur Jaggery.
It's called as Marayur Jaggery.
Yes. So before wrapping, I have noted few points. As you know, it's LTC, Legal Tax and Compliance. So I've got it from one from Kerala. So before independence, Kerala's Travancore and Cochin region had unique legal and tax system. So the Travancore Legal Code 1862 had one of the first code unified laws in princely states, and land tax reforms were tax based on land fertility and yield, which is very unique. And trade compliance, Cochin regulated the trade of spices, oil, coconut product. These systems later influenced Kerala's post-independent legal administrative framework. Like, this is one fact of LTC on Kerala. Yeah.
You didn't know that, right?
I don't know.
So
I knew.
So
now,
now,
moment of honor.
Yes.
Sanendram chips goes to Athena.
just share it. Okay, Nitya, before you close,
Okay.
now you tell me this answer. Okay? What is famous in Madurai?
Madurai Malli.
Okay, now you got. I'm gonna make next episode very difficult for you. Both of you guys to answer because I'm gonna pick another.
Oh, we changed the role play. You
No,
be
no,
the
no,
host.
no, no, no,
We
no,
can-
no, no.
Yeah, it's
No.
fine. Bring it
No.
on. Yes.
So guys, we'll see you in the next episode.
In the state of Tamil Nadu.
Exactly.
Yeah. So guys, that's a wrap for the episode 1. If you have any queries related to GI or IP related matters, you can get in touch with us Solvit experts and we would be happy to help you.
Nitya, wait. Now for the next episode, I'll do it.